Hey there, Kings Bay. This is MC2 Barron. I'm here today with Chaplain Agdamag. Sir, I know the chapel is offering classes as part of the Be a Better You in 22 campaign. Can you tell me what classes the chapel has to offer in August?
Yeah, sure. We're offering two. One is the Personal Resiliency Workshop, and the second is the Marriage Enrichment Workshop. And so what they are is the PRW, the Personal Resiliency Workshop, is simply just helping sailors, Marines, be a better you in 22 by strengthening their own traits that they have and identifying some of the weaknesses when a point of resiliency comes. Now, the Marriage Enrichment Workshop, what that is just helping to identify hidden triggers in the couple's relationship before they go off.
Okay. And so how would I or anyone sign up for these classes?
Yeah, so all you do is you'd call us at 912-573-4501 or simply just come on by the chapel. We'll sign you up.
All right. Well, I think we all can say thank you for taking the time to talk with me today.
Yeah, hey, and thanks for letting the chapel be a part of being a better you in 22.